Jeff at Tri-State Bobcat in Hudson, Wisconsin. Here we go with a Cat 252B3 two-speed cab heat. This machine is coming in with about 1,500 hours. 75 horse Cat diesel. It did come off a farm, but it was only used in the feed plant, so this is not push manure. Large dairy operation, mainly took silage out of the pile and fed the TMR mixer with it. You know, we got a few scratches, but it were the original paint, new tires. This is a cab heat machine. Standard flow, features the power quick attach, and also the Caterpillar controls, joystick controls. Machine runs out great. Just came in on trade. Let's show you the interior. We'll do a full service on the machine before it goes up. Here's a shot of our hours. Again, cab heat. Here's our heater controls over here. Easy to operate with these Cat controls. Large machine that doesn't feel too large. Full lights on the machine, nice shape. Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Give Jeff a call on this Cat 252B3 skid steer loader. Large frame. We'll include a 74-inch bucket with this. Give you a shot of the engine compartment. Clean routine maintenance. Radiator and coolers mounted overhead. Machine. Nice large frame. Good boom height. I'll post the specs up under the posting. Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Give Jeff a call, 715-781-3940. On this Caterpillar 252B3. Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Give Jeff a call, 715-781-3940. Located in Hudson, Wisconsin, just off Freeway 94, West Central Wisconsin. Give Jeff a call, 715-781-3940. Thank you.